I am Sandra Viviana Murillo Morales. My artistic name is RunicoS. And trained as an architect, I work in urban design, landscape architecture, and brought nature back into cities in my own creative way to cope with chronic pain in my hands due to the side effects of a treatment that saved my life after receiving a diagnosis of ovarian cancer. I started using my two hands to move and to exercise them to avoid the chronic pain in my hands, and I ended up doing ambidextrous drawing. After receiving a novel treatment, maintenance therapy, I looked into the real process that was going on into my body while taking the medication. And for this piece of art, Duality and Fertility, I tried to experiment with the medium that I use to express in an artistic way what is happening inside my body. Through this novel treatment, I am able to get my healing ability to fight cancer cells because the biological process involved into an inhibitor of a protein in my DNA allows my cancer cells markers to be stable. Duality and Fertility is a photograph of these two pieces together, an ambidextrous drawing with color pencils, and a paper sculpture using the residual pigment of creating this artwork. Duality, Fertility talks about two different sides of the same coin, two different ways to express what was going on inside my body after losing my ability to procreate due to treatments and a radical surgery that my body went through to save my life from ovarian cancer. This photograph captures two different ways on how within my body processes are taking place. Some cells are dying and other cells are regenerating. So Duality and Fertility talks about this duality that is represented by these two processes that are necessary even just to maintain or sustain my own life. But at the same time, when I reframe my fertility and being not able to procreate as a human being and see myself as a woman who is able to procreate with my pieces of art, I feel honored to be part of this initiative, to contribute with my art to this group of young scientific community, students that want just to bring solutions to the world. Participating at some Synbiosis, to be in the same room with other artists and also scientific community was really inspiring and very fascinating. I was able to learn through art other research initiatives that are happening in other groups. For instance, how I can just see art within the interaction of neurons in the brain and see reflected this art as a piece of art to embellish and to convey an idea of beauty, but at the same time to understand the processes that are happening inside my body. Being part of these initiatives make me realize how important it is to bridge the gap between science and art. And we're going back into some of the original novel ideas from the humanistic school of thought, where we were integrating all disciplines, where we were not really working in silos, but working integrating in an interdisciplinary way. I also, during this experience, I also remember a lot one of my artists that I get inspiration from, Leonardo da Vinci, because to me it's fascinating to see someone who was an artist, an engineer, a physician, an architect, a biologist, one excellent mind that can teach us how we need to work together these days. So it makes me realize all these things, and it really nourished my passion to continue pursuing art inspired by nature.